Heavy downpour lashed various areas of Karachi following an unexpected dust storm on Wednesday evening, with slippery roads causing many motorcyclists to fall and get injured while riding. A video from a flyover on Rashid Menis Road near Millennium Mall went viral on social media, where several motorcyclists were seen slipping on the road one after another while coming down the ramp. Commuters on other vehicles stopped to help the fallen motorcyclists. Amid the heavy showers, rainwater accumulated on the roads in different areas of the metropolis.